In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar in a seamless way. If you've ever wanted to have all your events and reminders in one place, then this guide is for you. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. First things first, we'll need to open Google Calendar in the Chrome browser. You might be wondering why we're using Chrome specifically. Well, Chrome is Google's own browser, which ensures the best compatibility and functionality when accessing Google services. To do this, head over to your Chrome browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed in, just log in with your Google account credentials and you'll be set to go. Once you have Google Calendar open, it's time to dive into the settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a little gear icon. Click on that to open the settings menu. This is where you can control a host of options to customize your Google Calendar experience. What we're interested in today is adding a new calendar. In the menu on the left, you'll find the option labeled Add Calendar. Click on that and then select from URL. This is a crucial step, as this is where we'll be integrating your Outlook calendar. By doing this, you're essentially creating a bridge between your Outlook and Google platforms. Now let's shift our focus to the Outlook calendar. You need to get your Outlook calendar's iCal URL. This URL is what enables Google Calendar to pull in all your Outlook events and display them. To find this, open your Outlook calendar settings. Usually you can go into the settings by clicking on the calendar icon and finding the share or publish option. Once you've located your iCal URL, copy it to your clipboard. This URL is what we'll use to sync your calendars, so it's vital to ensure there are no extra spaces or errors when you copy it. Go back to your Google Calendar settings where we left off and paste that URL into the designated field. After you've entered the URL, all you need to do is hit Save. This step is incredibly important, as it locks in all the changes you've just made. If everything is correctly set up, your Outlook events should now be visible in your Google Calendar. By following these steps, you've successfully merged your Outlook and Google Calendars, allowing you to see all your appointments, reminders, and meetings in one convenient place. This setup is perfect for those who use multiple devices or services and want to streamline their workflow. Whether you're on your computer, handheld device, or anywhere in between, you won't miss an appointment. Enjoy your newly synced calendars, and until next time, happy scheduling!